How's it going, guys? We'll get started in a minute. How's it going, guys? Alright, guys. Let's do this. This is the 4-box Optic. So we are going to take 4 more boxes out of this case. And that will leave us with 4 left. That we will do tomorrow. And that will be the end of that case. Good luck. Chris, staying up late, man. Late night breaks. Well, with Gold Label, it's rare to get big hits. But they do offer it. It's just really hard to get. I've seen some bad stuff from that too. Correa, 150 Astros. So first hits, nice one. Tatis Jr., Padres. Fernando Tatis. I need a regular one. Very nice. Padres. Padres. Yeah, she definitely did well. Joya Prism. Vlad Guerrero Blue Jays at a 125. I mean, so far that Tatis is better than the whole case, or the whole 8 boxes we did probably. Arenado Rockies 99. Rockies Arenado. This case has been pretty good. We had the Vlad from it. Chris, no. I don't believe so. So it's possible. It's definitely possible. Astros Miles Straw out of 75. Wander Franco Prism. Last pack of the box. I don't believe we had a hot box, but I could be wrong. And all your update series, guys, will be out tomorrow. I tried to get it out today, but it just wasn't going to happen. So all the update series will be dropped off tomorrow. Garrett Cole, Astros, 99. Very nice Milwaukee Brewers, Keston Hiura. Not numbered, but sweet hit for Milwaukee. That's a beauty. Keston Hiura. pretty good case. Cardinals, Ponce de Leon out of 50. Cardinals, Ponce de Leon. Garrett Cole, Prism. Astros. Like I say, guys, the other part 3, which is the final part of this case, will be tomorrow. And I'll post another list for it at some point tomorrow for the remaining teams. Pete Alonso out of 76 Mets. Pete Alonso. Quantrill out of 75, Padres. Two packs left. Ichiro Prism, Mariners. That'll do it for box 2. Two left. And of course they're gonna fall over. Cunha Prism. Got a signature series for the Padres. Eric Thames out of 50. So Padres doing work. Signature series. We got a Mookie Betts out of 199 Red Sox. 40 Blue Jays, Sean Reed Foley at a 125. Oh, yeah. I don't know why I said Padres. It probably is the Brewers. Yeah, it's Milwaukee. Thanks, man. It is Milwaukee. I don't know why I said Padres. Story Prism, Rockies. Jake Cave Twins at 125. I think was that Auto 3 in this box? Might have been autograph number 3. Yelich Brewers 125. So this might be Cunha Braves 199. You are right, man. You are correct. Jake Bowers for the Rays, 35. So this is a one with 5 autos, I believe. One of the hot boxes. Four or 5, I think. Jacob Nix. This one is Padres out of 99. Jacob Nix. San Diego. Final pack of the box. Last one. Good luck. Wow, is it really bad, man? What's... Is it bad or is it funny? I'm assuming it's bad. White Sox, Michael Kopech. Oh, alright. I'll check it out. There he is, Mr. Cedric Mullins for the Orioles. It's not a break without Cedric Mullins. McNeil, Mets, 75. I don't know why I top loaded that. I will take your word for it, man. I will look it up afterwards. Rowdy Tellez, 199 Blue Jays. Coming down to the end, do a recap. Kyle Wright, 99 Braves. And the final pack. That will do it, guys. Here's the recap. Cedric Mullins, Orioles, Kopech, White Sox, Knicks, Padres, 99. Bowers, Rays, 35. Cave Twins, 125. Reed Foley, Blue Jays, 125. Thames, Brewers, 50. Pete Alonso, Mets, 76. De Leon, Cardinals, 50. Huria, Brewers, not numbered. Straw, Astros, 75. Vlad Guerrero, 125. And Fernando Tatis Jr., Padres. That will do it for the break. Thank you, guys.